addition to my professional role at hololux, we love growing the community, bringing people together, experience new things. For example, seeing people wearing devices like the HoloLens or the Oculus and seeing the spark in their eyes when they first tried these devices. This is what makes us really happy, and we say, wow, it was really worth the efforts we made together.
People just can come with their laptops and show their Unity projects, share, ask for advice, ask for feedback. Everyone is invited because here you will have a glimpse of the future.